In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 12 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to access security. Then hit app lock and choose enable. Following that, click on one of those login methods to decide which one will be perfect for your app lock, your current lock screen or custom pin only for app lock. I will go with custom pin, so when I tap and create it, I need to repeat it to confirm it. Then answer security question. If you don't like it, click on the question and pick a different one. If you don't like any of them, click on the question one more time and select custom question to create your own. Then hit OK and remember to answer correctly below. Whatever you decided, when you're done, hit finish and finally lock your apps thanks to gray switchers next to them. So when I go back one of the apps that I just locked, I can see that PIN is required. If you want to disable app lock from any app, go back to the same settings, enter your login method and click on blue switchers. Then to disable app lock completely, use this switcher right next to it at the top. Lastly, hit disable in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, after that, As you can see, after that, my apps were successfully unlocked. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!